please, because it's a little loud there.
Yeah, it's a little loud.
Yeah, loud.
Morning. What date is it?
It's the 3rd.
The 3rd.
Pay your rent on time.
Our rent's today. Today is Friday. Yeah, Friday. And we're at the Dinosaur National Monument Visitor Center, and we're fixing to go find out what we can see. And
we're going to discover fossils.
Yeah, we're discovering. They already got a dinosaur here. Look, the stuffed one.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's a gorgeous day. A little hazy. We'll check it out later. Hi guys, we're in Dinosaur, Colorado, and the freeway we're on is Highway 64, called Stegosaurus. Is that what Stegosaurus? Stegosaurus Freeway. Pretty interesting. We're gonna head on south and hop on Scenic Byway 139. Gorgeous day, not real hot yet. Catch you later.
Turn left on Stegosaurus Highway.